Here's a certified 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Forged from capability, bathed in luxury, this Grand Cherokee elevates your adventures. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, configurable instrument gauges, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, external memory control, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, auto dimming mirrors, and V6 engine. Car and driver muses, we doubt they're given to popping celebratory champagne corks very often at Jeep headquarters in Auburn Hills, Michigan, but now just might be a good time. Experience the Jeep life. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
For service, selection, and value, choose Armory Garage. Stop in today and check us out. We are conveniently located at 926 Central Avenue in Albany, New York.